Hello there, and welcome to Circle Time with me, Mrs. Mozingo. Let's go ahead and get started because today on our calendar we have a star because I'm joining you, but there should also be a Star Wars sign here for May the 4th. May the 4th be with you, and is because it is Star Wars Day. Yay! So today I'll be watching Star Wars. I hope you get to watch some Star Wars today. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song so we can figure out what day of the week it is because we already know that it is Star Wars Day. All right, here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, let me hear you. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, and May the 4th falls on a Monday. So it's Monday, May 4th, 2020. Let's take a look. What kind of weather do we have outside? Is it sunny? Sunny with some clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. It is a cloudy day today. But it's supposed to become a windy day. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Let's make our prediction and put it in our prediction square. I heard someone say sunny. I like that. I hope that's true. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D. Can't hear you. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Super. All right. Now let's go ahead and count to 15. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, now we're counting backwards from 10. Ready? Here we go. Let's launch that rocket ship. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. All right, let's take a look. Look at all these shapes. We can find the rectangle. Where is that rectangle? Yep, there it is. What color is that rectangle? It is black. Excellent. Let's sing our shape song. Are you ready? Let's see. My internet like the shape song? It's thinking. It does. It likes it. I can't hear you.
Square. Square.
All right, what's this one?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Rectangle.
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 Oval.
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 Diamond.
Diamond. I can't hear you.
Heart.
star. Let's sing it. Shapes have angles and lines. There are shapes, shapes all the time. I want to say it. Shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. What's this one? Rhombus. What else can we call it besides a rhombus? Yes, a diamond. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at some colors. Who can find something that is black or something black? We just talked about that color, didn't we? It's the Oreo. I just had some double stuffed Oreos last night. They are so yummy. How about green? Where's something green? Yes, disgust. She is green. Our nursery rhyme this week is This Old Man. That's one of my favorites. This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played, what is it? 2. He played knick-knack on my shoe. Where's your shoe? With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man went rolling home. Came rolling home, sorry. This old man, he played, show me 3 fingers. 3. He played knick-knack on my, touch your knee. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me 4. This old man, he played 4. He played knick-knack on my door. Can you find a door in your house? Where's a door? Show me. Uh-huh. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me 5. And this old man, he played 5. He played knick-knack on my hive. What lives in a hive? Oh, bees. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 6. And this old man, he played 6. Show me 6. He played knick-knack on my sticks. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me 7. And this old man, he played 7. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me 8. This old man, he played 8. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me 9. And this old man, he played 9. He played knick-knack on my spine. Oh, with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me 10. Oh, this old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Good job, friends. I like singing that song with you. All right, we've done the letter L and F, E and H, T and I. We've done the letter U, and we've even worked with the magic letter C. And now we're on O. O for ostrich, octagon, and a octopus. All right, let's sing about where we start those letters. Are we ready? Here we go.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters
To the top. Way down. The bottom. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Top, bottom, shake it. Top, bottom, shake it. Top, shake it. Where do you social letters at the top? We hear ahs. Do you social letters at the top? Top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
There we go, on down.
Top. Now it's the bottom. This is the top.
No, it's the middle.
This is the top.
It's the top.
When do you start your letters at the top?
Awesome job, friends. All right, we're making the letter O today. And the letter O has 2 magic C's. So first I grabbed the first magic C and I put it on my board. And now this is a little bigger than our normal letter, so it hangs off a little bit of our Mr. Matt board. But it's not letter C this week, it's letter O. So I have to grab another magic C and I put them together. And what do you know? I made the letter O with 2 magic C's. Now we get to sing the song. Now, last time we sang it, it was make the letter C. I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me, but we're not making a magic C, we're making an O. So it goes like this. Make the letter O. I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. It's the magic O when you get to the top. You ready? So let's put your fingers at the top. And I'm going to sing the song. And you're going to move it as I sing. Are you ready? Here we go. Make the letter O. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. It's the letter O when we get to the top. Ready? Let's do one more time. Okay, you don't have to sing along if you don't want to, because I know it's a newer song, but Mrs. Hill probably sang it last week, so you might be comfortable with it. But let's try it. Put our fingers at the top and trace along with me as we make it. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Thank you so much for making the letter O with me. And what do we need to make the letter O? 2 magic C's. I'll see you tomorrow, and again, have a wonderful Monday. I miss you tremendously, and I hope your Monday is May the 4th wonderful. Bye, everyone.